Zip ties cost $2 for 30 in a pack. Like, come on, let's be real. But anyway, the brake. I can tell y'all with complete confidence that this video is going to be choppy from here on out. My phone keeps overheating. It's 95 degrees out here and my phone keeps shutting off because it keeps overheating. So that's fun. We got the car propped up. I already got started on one side. Not really, but I realized I got to change the stud out right there. I got to change that one. And I wanted to show y'all the process, but it don't look like I'm allowed to. I literally record like 4 minutes in real time and the phone shuts off. That's insane. Have y'all ever been in weather so hot it just pisses you off? That's literally how I feel. I'm gonna show you what I can. This isn't a brake install video. I'm just doing my brakes, and hopefully I'm doing a lot to this car in this video, so y'all are gonna see by the end of it. I wanted to show y'all the brake install though. There are better videos for a brake install, trust me. I'm in the middle of watching one right now while my phone keeps dying on me. All right, small little update. We got the rotor. This is the rotor. It's nothing really serious, a little cheap R1 rotor. And the brake pads down there. This is not a brake kit. I cannot afford a brake kit. I'm not going to buy a brake kit. And I don't know how long my phone is gonna let me record. So I'm probably just gonna try and show y'all this quick little bit. And then once I finish this side, I'm gonna show y'all little snippets of what I did to this side on the other side, so you can see what I did for real. All right, so quick little update. I have anti-seize on my hub bearing right there. I also finally have my 5th stud inside the wheel bearing. I did that off camera. We have the rotor in place. I have the sliding pin greased up. I also have the slide bolt right here. That's also greased up. And the grease I'm using is this synthetic brake grease. And this stuff you can obviously get at like a parts store, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, whatever. Now, to me, this is the hard part. And I had to turn this to get that stud in, and it required me stepping on the brake pedal, and I just heard a whole bunch of air just hiss out of the brake lines. So I'm scared that this is gonna like cause me some trouble now. All right guys, so I just finished putting it back together. I just finished watching a video as I went along doing it, and a few things. These feel like they can just come out like whenever they want. I don't like that. And of course, I can't have an install without something being broken. And I found that my guide pin springs, my little springs for the guiding pins are broken. It snapped like somewhere in there. I think you see it. It's just snapped into, and now it's all loose. Everything in here is loose, and this is why I hate working on this car. But it is what it is, because it's an old car, and I did plan on getting another old one, so it's not like it's gonna solve the problem. Might as well get used to it. I just hope that this works, because I don't feel like I'm doing all of this for nothing, just to have no brakes at all. That was not the goal. If the other side is broken, like this one, I will get upset though. I'm not gonna lie. Jeez, guys, it's not looking good, man. I just took this wheel off. I'm looking in. My brakes were already bad when I got the car, but I didn't think it was this bad to where it broke the guiding pin. So that's right there. That's exactly what it looked like on the other side. So that is not good at all. And I don't even know what to do other than to just get some more guiding pins, I guess, right, so getting started on this other side, I took the pins out, I took the spring pad pins out, and I can already feel this phone heating up. And for the ones asking why I don't record on the actual camera, my actual cameras also overheat easily in this weather. It's not very fun. It's not really fun being in Louisiana, I'm not gonna lie. It's like waking up and you're wrapped in a moist honey bun. You're inside the wrapper of a glazed honey bun every day. It's not fun at all. You look like this caliper. That's how I look right now. If I turn this camera around, you thought I wasn't about to turn the camera around. Never. Anyway, I'm not really gonna put much of this in here. I'm gonna just show y'all the finished product. I'm gonna show y'all the final product of this because this is not enjoyable. I'm not enjoying this install, so I really doubt y'all would. So I'm gonna just skip to the end, and then we're gonna carry on because I'm also running out of sunlight. Thankfully, it's not as hot anymore, but I'm also running out of sunlight. That's not very good. All right, I just finished with the second side. This side obviously is a lot quicker to do because it was my first brake job, and obviously the first time is going to be longer than the second one because the first time I spent at least 2-3 hours learning how to do it and trying to half record it, but I gave up on that. Here's the final product. It does not look too bad, you know what I'm saying? I didn't know the sliding pins were gold. That was kind of cool, but I definitely need a brake kit now after looking at this because I hate those calipers. Those calipers gotta go, and they're too small. Not only are they too small, the pins are broken, so I'm pretty sure that's not even safe to drive around like that. Over here, same thing. The pin is a little worse on this side. I don't know why that so easily can come out. This one, not as much, but on the other side, it doesn't come out as easily. Like it does. Okay, that one, the last one. Okay, I'll take all of that back. They're all easy to come out. I don't understand why. I can't make sense of it. I just need new pins, and hopefully these won't break. Hopefully these don't just fly out in the middle of traffic and I lose all of my rear brakes. So that's tough. Now we're about to put these wheels on, and we're about to get to my favorite part of the video. It's the little things. Come on, man. Y'all can't tell me that ain't fire. Y'all can't tell me that's not hard, bro. It's the little things. Come on, bro. What the, yuck. Yuck. Is that real? What? Yes. What are you asking? Is that even a question? Ugh, gross. Come on, man. What are we really doing? What are we really doing? Y'all don't even know what we about to do. Hold on, bro. Watch this. This looks so much better than I thought it would. I'm not gonna lie. This is only half of it, guys. The rest is still coming in. Man, bro. not even gonna say too much about this. I might end the video right here. We're gonna talk about this next video. I'll see y'all in the next one.